Isa ito sa hindi mo pwedeng palagpasan bago matapos ang summer dito sa Dubai. So if you're in Dubai, come with me and let's explore the colorful vibes, food spots, and unforgettable moments at Global Village before the season ends. Kung nandito ka sa UAE, malabong hindi mo pa napupuntahan ito. Different country pavilions, food spots, shopping, cultural shows in one place. Over 90 cultures ang featured in every season. At kung nandito ka sa UAE, syempre alam mong ang ticket nito is 25 dirhams lang during weekdays. One of my favorite parts here has always been the cultural shows inside the pavilions. Every performance give you little glimpse of country's tradition and culture. But this time, we only managed to catch few shows. Baka kasi late na rin kami nakarating. Or maybe because Global Village had only recently reopened after its short closure. At syempre, hindi mawawala ito. 35 dirhams yan sa isang ice cream. Worth it ba? Well, we have our own preferences. Pero at least, di ba? Napagod ka bago ka nag-ice cream. Then napagod pala ako. We visit this place every season and this year felt a little different. One of my favorite pavilion wasn't here. The country is famous for beautiful Persian carpets. If you know, you know. Pero siguro, yun din yung magic ng Global Village. Hindi pare-pareho bawat visit. Laging may bago. Summer is almost here and winter in Dubai is slowly saying goodbye. At syempre, hindi pwedeng matapos ang season na ito nang walang isang huling Global Village visit. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog. Okay, bye!